I was once a dedicated fitness enthusiast, always pushing myself to the limit. My workouts were intense, my diet strict, and my commitment unwavering. Yet, despite all my efforts, I hit a plateau. My muscles weren't growing, and my strength gains had stalled. It was frustrating, demoralizing even. I felt like I was doing everything right, but my body wasn't responding. Then an injury sidelined me. A torn ligament meant I couldn't lift heavy weights, and I feared losing all the progress I'd made. I was desperate for a solution that would allow me to maintain, even improve, my muscle mass without the strain of heavy lifting. That's when I discovered blood flow restriction, BFR training. BFR training involves using bands or cuffs to restrict blood flow to the muscles during low-intensity exercises. It sounded counterintuitive at first. How could lifting lighter weights lead to muscle growth? But the science was compelling. By restricting blood flow, BFR training creates a hypoxic environment in the muscles, leading to increased growth hormone production and muscle hypertrophy, even with lighter loads. I decided to give it a try. I started incorporating BFR training into my routine, using it during my rehabilitation exercises. The results were astounding. Not only did I maintain my muscle mass, but I also experienced new growth and strength gains. My recovery accelerated and I felt stronger than ever. If you're curious about how BFR training can revolutionize your fitness journey, I invite you to listen to episode 20 of the Burn It Nutrition podcast. In this episode, our host Joseph Navarro delves deep into the science, application, and history of BFR training. He discusses who can benefit from it, how to implement it safely, and the remarkable results it can yield. You can listen to the full episode on our website at burnitnutrition.com or find it on iTunes or Spotify by searching for Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades to your health hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but the key is electrolyte balance. That is why I use Element electrolytes daily. With the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body functions at its best. It keeps me hydrated, supports my workouts, and improves recovery. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to grab yours. Remember, your fitness journey is unique, and finding the right tools and techniques can make all the difference. Explore the potential of BFR training and see how it can help you achieve your goals. Listen to the full podcast episode at burnitnutrition.com/podcast20.